আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমি একটা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা করব, how we can remember vocabulary for a long time. Hi dear English learner, how is going on your days? I'm optimistic that you are passing a wonderful time and you are learning English in a great way. So today in this video, I would like to talk about a very crucial matter. আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমি একটা খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। So the matter is how we can remember vocabulary for a long time. So কিভাবে আমরা vocabulary অনেক দীর্ঘ সময়ের জন্য মনে রাখতে পারবো। So without squandering any time, let's into the topic. So যেটা আমি বলতে চাচ্ছি, আমাদের একটা very basic and common problem. We learned vocabulary, we memorized vocabulary, but we can't remember it. আমরা vocabulary মুখস্থ করি, but we can't memorize it for a long time. So today basically I have memorized our vocabulary, which is adequate. So adequate means পর্যাপ্ত. It's a synonyms of enough. So everyone know the word enough, right? But most of them, they don't know the word adequate. So if you want, you can remember it. যদি আপনি চান তাহলে এটাকে আপনি enough এর synonyms হিসাবেই মনে রাখতে পারেন. And if you want, you can also make some sentences. So whenever you will memorize vocabulary, যখনই আপনি vocabulary মুখস্থ করবেন, after that you must need to make at least 3 or 5 sentences with that certain word. So if I want to talk about adequate, so then I can make some sentences like that. This meal is adequate for me. এই খাবারটা আমার জন্য যথেষ্ট. That's a simple word, right? So instead of enough, I'm just using adequate. So আমি হচ্ছে enough এর পরিবর্তে adequate wordটা ইউজ করতেছি, right? So this is how basically I can train my brain so that it can remember the word for a long time. And if I want, I can give another example. He has adequate knowledge. He has adequate knowledge. That means তার পর্যাপ্ত মেধা আছে, right? So this is how basically we can make 4 or 5 sentences very easily, right? So this is how basically, if we want, we can memorize word for a long time. So যেটা আপনাকে করতে হবে, একটা vocab memorize করার পর randomly আপনাকে 3 থেকে 5টা word example হিসেবে সেট করতে হবে. So what exactly will happen? That time আপনি আপনার ব্রেইনকে ট্রেন করতে পারবেন so that it can memorize that word, remember that word for a long time. So please apply this formula, apply this trick in your real life.